Everything explained in this video is summarized from the CoinMarketCap. And also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for future XRP news and some other cryptocurrency news in general. Now, take a look at this. Here is when Ripple stablecoin is expected to launch, President Monica Love. Before we move further, congratulations to all of you who have participated in this airdrop. The official launch date of this airdrop is now taking place on 28 November, just 2 weeks from now. If you are yet to join, this is your last chance to join on Telegram. Please make sure you participate in this airdrop. The link is in the description of the video. Don't miss out on this. Now let's continue with our video. Monica Long, the president of Ripple, clarified the rumors that had been circulating about the demand for Ripple's future dollar peg stablecoin in a tweet that she sent out recently. Having recently returned from a fruitful week at the Singapore FinTech Festival, Long decided to share her observations regarding the increasing interest in stablecoins. Back from a fantastic week at Singapore FinTech Festival, on and off stage, everyone was talking about stablecoins. Long announced on Twitter, she emphasized the growing demand for stablecoins based on the United States dollar in regions such as Latin America, while also noting the possibility for stablecoins based on the Singapore dollar and the euro to establish their presence in the market. The fact that Ripple Lab stablecoin already has consumers lined up and ready to use the stablecoin once it is made available to the public was another revelation made by Long. During her interview on the Street Signs Asia program on CNBC, Long described the burgeoning market for stablecoins. She made the statement that the use case for stablecoins in the payments industry is on the verge of becoming a massive trend. The words made by Long create the impression that the market may anticipate the introduction of new stablecoins that are tied to a variety of fiat currencies, which will further expand the ecosystem of stablecoins. In anticipation of the public debut, Ripple USD, the Ripple Lab stablecoin cryptocurrency, is currently undergoing testing on the XRP ledger and Ethereum mainnet network. It will be backed by short-term US Treasury bonds, dollar deposits, and cash equivalents. Ripple will provide independent monthly attestations to its reserves, which will be prepared by an accounting firm based in San Francisco. In October, Ripple made public the fact that the Ripple Lab stablecoin is operationally ready, but is still seeking regulatory certification from the New York Department of Financial Services. As the company prepares for the launch of the loose stablecoin to the general public, it has also been named exchange partners and market makers for the cryptocurrency. Additionally, it is pleased to announce that former FDIC chair Shieldeum and former Center CEO David Puth have joined its stablecoin advisory board. Ripple announced in April that it intended to establish its stablecoin to compete for a share of the fast expanding $379 billion stablecoin market. Ripple stablecoin is now undergoing beta testing, and its launch is contingent upon government permission. Bitstamp Bitso, an upholder among the organizations that had been selected by the team to serve as exchange partners for the next introduction. Ripple Lab stablecoin advancement to this point. When Ripple announced in April of this year that it intended to launch a stablecoin that would be linked one-to-one to the US dollar, the company made headlines. Over the subsequent months, the team disclosed that the product will be referred to as Ripple Lab stablecoin and that it will be accessible on both Ethereum and the XRP ledger. The beta testing of the stablecoin was initiated by Ripple in August 2024, and the company issued a warning that it will become available for trading and purchase after it has received the appropriate regulatory permission. Several well-known companies, such as Bitstamp, Bitso, Uphold, Bullish, CoinMana, Independent Reserve, and MoonPay, were identified as exchange partners of the effort by the team. This announcement was made 1 month ago. A recent interview that was conducted by CNBC included Ripple's president, Monica Long, who revealed additional information regarding the progress that Ripple Lab stablecoin has made. She asserted that the team is operationally ready to launch the stablecoin for cryptocurrency. Despite this, the development will take place immediately after receiving approval from the New York Department of Financial Services. It is up to them to decide. Our trust application is now being evaluated by them. When they're deciding whether or not to approve it, it will be up to them to decide. Over the next 5 years, Long predicted that the total market capitalization of all stablecoins will increase from its current value of $180 billion to more than $3 trillion. He attributed this to the fact that there will be more demand drivers such as payments, the de-dollarization scenario in which future financial products of that type will be more tethered to other fiat currencies such as the euro, yen, and others was another assumption that she made when she made her statement. On top of the pack are USD and USDC. A type of cryptocurrency known as stablecoins is one in which the value of the cryptocurrency is tied to a particular asset. This asset could be a fiat currency, a commodity like gold, or even a basket of assets every once in a while. Their goal is to make transactions as quick and borderless as possible, which will make them useful for making payments, transferring money, and serving as a store of value. As was noted before, the overall market cap of the sector is presently estimated to be somewhere around $180 billion, with Tetherusting being the undisputed leader in the market. The value of the stablecoin reached a new all-time high of about $125 billion today, November 12, making it the third largest cryptocurrency ever. It is linked to the greenback and is the third biggest cryptocurrency overall, trailing behind Bitcoin and Ethereum. Only Dogecoin has been able to outperform XRP among the top 20 cryptocurrencies. There has been a more than 20% increase in the price of the main meme coin because of the most recent bull run in the market, which saw Bitcoin break above $81,000. XRP has reaped major benefits from this recent bull run. Specifically, amid the bull momentum, XRP staged an 11 rally from its low of 55 cents, breaking to a 6-week high of 61 cents, which was a new high for the cryptocurrency. Nevertheless, XRP has had a difficult time sustaining these gains, as it has not only fallen below the 60 cents barrier, but also brought itself back down to a level close to 56 cents, ultimately ending at 57 cents. Despite this, the price activity that occurred over the weekend caused enthusiasm among members of the XRP community. While this is going on, analysts have stated that the real action for XRP has not yet begun, and they anticipate even more spectacular price movements. The explosion of XRP is coming sooner rather than later. Even though investors may have been wary of the incessant hype surrounding XRP over the past 3 years, in a subsequent post, 360 Trader made a connection between XRP and Cardano, pointing out that XRP is beginning its bull run as a result of the recent enthusiasm that ADA has been experiencing. In a move that took the market by surprise, Cardano broke a 7-month high over the weekend, trading at a price that was higher than 65 cents for the first time since April. Getting awake, Sunday saw a 33.14 increase in the price of XRP ADA, which went from 48 cents to 65 cents. On the other hand, the price of XRP experienced a moderate increase of 11, but it was still sufficient to bring the price back into the 60 cents region. The information that has been provided is not intended to be trading advice. There is no responsibility for any investments that are made based on the information that is provided on this page. Before making any decision about investments, we strongly advise conducting independent research and consulting with a knowledgeable professional.